50 miles to a gallon. Huh. Like for camels, maybe. Well, Dad, back to the drawing board. Oh, man, dig those kooky wheels.
Hop in.
Is this square for real?
Well, you wanted a lift, didn't you?
Crazy. Hope I make out.
Out of gas, eh? I never worry about that anymore. Not with this new 1960 Pontiac. Got the new fuel level warning indicator on this baby. Comes only with the safeguard speedometer option. So you not only get a warning when you exceed a preset speed, but also when you're getting low on gas. You know, it's the little things. For the most part, the things you can't see. The invisible features that mean the most. Things like this improved power steering, real fingertip control. Lots of other things, just like it says on those signs. Want a ride that's velvet smooth? We've got one that's in the groove. Pontiac. Yes, sir. While you're enjoying such serene comfort, you never stop to think of all the things that make it possible. Some proved through the years, and a lot of new features, too. Rugged, more durable shock absorbers that smooth out the bumps better, hot weather or cold. A significantly redesigned rear suspension for improved driveline smoothness, better car handling, and greater stability, through placing the roll center closer to the center of gravity. These things complement such features as wide track wheels and four-wheel coil springs, making the best even better.
Hey, this cat is here.
Thicker rubber bushings on the rear lower control arms, the ultimate in low axle ratios. Better body mounts, new insulated exhaust system hangers, and all those other Pontiac features, like center of percussion engine mounts, generous body insulation, rubber cushion propeller shaft, and so on. Yes, sir, all this and more add up to a new low level of sound inside the car.
Oh, Daddy-o.
You are about to hear a recording taken inside one of the world's most expensive luxury cars. Impressive? Wait till you hear the sound of the 1960 Pontiac.
Oh, man, I dig this quiet stuff.
Quiet in 59, silent in 60. But wait till you get a load of this.
Oh, this is Ennsville, man, Ennsville.
News for the engine enthusiast is the revolutionary cooling system, an exclusive Pontiac feature. Instead of going around like this, the cool water is pumped from the radiator in equal amounts and simultaneously to each cylinder bank for more equal cooling, avoiding hot spots.
Cool.
And the new pistons in the premium fuel engines or notched for greater valve clearance. New carburetors, too. The two-barrel carburetor for the Hydromatic premium fuel engines operates better, particularly during warm-up, gives better fuel economy and more responsive feel. The four-barrel, standard on Bonnevilles, offers better fuel economy after a cold start and during the mid-speed range. And the two-barrel for the Synchromesh regular fuel engines and Hydromatic economy engines gives better operation too, especially during warm-up, and better economy. And look, a high-efficiency camshaft goes with the economy package too. And for Catalinas with Hydromatic, there's a new low axle ratio for even better economy. On all engines, modifications of the rear main bearing oil seal installation cut down on the possibility of oil leakage. Speaking of oil, there's a new, easier-to-service disposable oil filter. And on all models for 1960 is the remarkable disposable fuel filter, a Pontiac first in '59, which filters up to 6 times more effectively.
Oh, crazy. I'm a light eater, Dad.
But that's only the beginning. Watch. See? Magic Cruise is great for freeways and turnpikes. Just one of many Pontiac accessories that make driving a pleasure. Listen. With a new rear speaker and the front speaker on, you get a distinctly new stereo effect. Listen to that presence. It's just as if you were there. I'll have to cut out here, old boy. Gasoline station's just around the next corner.
Oh, like I dug it all the time. Oh, that rig is the ginchiest. Like gone, man. Real gone.